Hey cousins, welcome back to our series on Imposter Syndrome. I'm Kai from Created for Purpose, and today we're sharing some personal stories and experiences. Hearing about others' struggles with imposter syndrome can help us feel less alone and more understood. Many successful people have opened up about their experiences with imposter syndrome. Take Sheryl Sandberg, COO of Facebook, for instance. Despite her achievements, she has admitted to feeling like an imposter at times. She said, "There are still days when I wake up feeling like a fraud, not sure I should be where I am." Even the talented actress Emma Watson has shared her struggles. She once said, "It's almost like the better I do, the more my feeling of inadequacy actually increases because I'm just going, any moment someone's going to find out I'm a total fraud and that I don't deserve any of what I've achieved." Hearing these stories reminds us that imposter syndrome can affect anyone, regardless of their success or fame. It's not about your actual abilities, but about the way you perceive them. Sharing your own story can be incredibly powerful too. When we open up about our struggles, we create a space for others to do the same, fostering a sense of community and support. If you feel comfortable, drop a comment below and share your experience with imposter syndrome. Your story might just be the one that helps someone else feel understood. Remember, there's a free download link in the description with more information on imposter syndrome. It's a great resource to help you navigate these feelings. See you tomorrow for another insightful day.